What book are you going to read us, Huey?
Demolition.
Demolition, that's right. All right, let's see you read it.
I was not started that one. Peru, had on, and Peru had on, and Peru had, and Peru coat on, and Peru pants on, and Peru had on, and boots, and what's that for boots?
Hat.
Hat. What's that? What's that for smash? Daddy.
What? Whack.
Whack. Smash. What's that for whack?
Remember, swing the ball, swing the ball.
Swing ball, swing ball.
Thump.
Thump.
And smash.
Smash.
And whack.
No whack. What's this for?
Work the jaws, work the jaws.
Work jocks. What's that for work jobs?
Bite, tear, and slash.
Bite, tear, and sweat. What's that for slash? Tear.
Dinosaurs had teeth like that.
Dinosaur teeth have teeth like that.
All right. What does a dinosaur say, Huey?
Why? Push her down.
Ram the walls, ram the walls.
Rain balls. Then grab up.
You want to know what that one says?
No.
Open it up. It says hose the dust, hose the dust, hose the
Hold
dust.
dust. What's that for hose dust?
Dampen down the dirt.
And down dirt.
Careful now, don't cough or choke.
Don't cough, choke.
Dad's basically reading this from memory, Huey.
What's this one called?
I've read this one to you a lot. Well, here, move your arm real quick. Crush the stones, that's right, crush the stones.
Crush stone.
Chip and grind and munch. Make
Crush and
concrete.
grind much.
Make new concrete from the old.
Make it
Concrete.
concrete.
There you go. Good job, Huey.
And
From the old.
trunk road. What's this?
Shred the wood, shred the wood.
Shred wood.
Split and chop and chip.
Turn chip.
Turn the sawdust into mulch.
Turn torch and much. Much. Flow. And dust. This dust.
Mm-hmm. No, that one says sort the steel, sort the steel.
We'll sort steel.
Heave and toss and clang.
Clink. Work job.
No, that says load the trucks, load the trucks.
Load trucks.
Lift and shift and...
Cheap.
Yep, in a heap, I was right. He was right.
Playground.
Yeah. Where? Hold on. Open the playground back up. Or they're building it. Where's the wheelbarrow?
Right there.
Yeah.
2 wheelbarrows.
2 wheelbarrows. Where's the other one? I only see one.
Yeah, I don't see one.
Did you see a truck on that page?
Yeah, 2 trucks.
Mm. How many's 2, Huey? How many fingers is 2? Good job.
How her get down?
You should climb down and take the slide, right?
Him not putting on. How him putting on slide?
Oh, he's tossing it up to her and she'll bolt it down.
How her get on it?
She climbed up the ladder, I bet. Say, build the hut, build the hut. Tap and twist and knock.
Knock.
Well, you gotta say tap and twist.
That's better.
Yeah. Says join the fun, join the fun.
It's Bill, it's girl.
Mm-hmm. Can you say join the fun, join the fun? Run and climb and play.
Play.
Well, can you say run and climb?
Climb.
Good job.
What's read another word?
Let's read another one. I think it's night time here.
What's read that one after caterpillar?
How about you say night?
No night.
Yeah, it's night time.
No nights.
Good. It's nights.
Nope.
Oh, yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Caterpillar.
Okay, you can read caterpillar one time.
Now after caterpillar, two pages on that one.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye. I'm gonna go sleep.
Say night.
Night.